Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I want to share with you another product I just picked up. I think you'll really like this one. It's for the 2024 Honda CR-V here, but they make them for a lot of different vehicles. It'll add some protection, definitely help you, especially if you're using this car to haul stuff. So let me go ahead and share what I just picked up. So if you remember, I shared a cargo liner from Lasfit not too long ago. So I'm going to give you guys another option here, depending on what your needs are. So this right here is with this platform in the lowest position. So it makes a little hump right there. So the other one I had, you had to raise this up to make it level. But they have a cargo liner that fits right just like it is and fits around that. So this one's from Ecoliner, USA. And what I like about it, this one, it's molded and it'll go right around this edge here. So you don't need to raise that floor. You can just set it in just like it is. It'll definitely protect your carpet here. I always recommend people getting one of these if you haul anything, because it's a pain to try to clean the carpet. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. So it's all rolled up when you get it, like most of them. So just you unroll it. I like to just put it in the car right away. They'll have creases in it, but as you know, inside a car gets really hot, so it'll take all those creases out within 24 hours. So don't be alarmed if it's like not wanting to kind of lay flat. That's normal. So I'll go ahead and roll it here and show you what it looks like. So check this out. Perfect fit. And like I said, that'll all lay down in 24 hours. It even tells you in here, just because it's been rolled up, but it has memory. It'll go back the way it's supposed to be. Or you can lay it out in the sun. So really easy. And like I said, I like this one because it fits all the contours. You don't have to raise that floor. And it's a nice grippy material too. It has like a rubberized texture, so things won't slide around. You can still utilize the sides here, and it goes around this little hump. So if you need to use those cargo hooks, you can. No big deal. I like this one a lot. And if you notice on it too, there's no branding at all. So it's just a nice clean design. Really nice quality. Doesn't move around at all. Really simple. And like I said, they make them for many makes and models. So whatever vehicle you have, definitely check the website out, because I'm almost certain they'll have a cargo liner for your vehicle. Like I said, just a nice clean design. And I like it too, because if you raise the load floor up, if you put a lot of weight on it, it'll start bowing and it could bend because there's nothing supporting the load floor. And when you have it low like this, the spare tire underneath kind of acts as a support. So if you're going to do a lot of hauling, I wouldn't really raise it, because you'll have a tendency to put a crease inside that load floor. So just want to let you guys know that. So if you're interested, again, check the link in the description. I appreciate it as always, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.